Remember in school when teachers would get you to write lines in the hope that repeatedly telling yourself to do something would correct your behaviour? I will not tell lies, or I will play nicely, ring any bells. Now imagine if we could use those same principles of cueing and repetition for falls prevention by practicing the balance recovery strategies needed to recover your balance after trips and slips. So why would we do this? In some way or another, we've all had a fall, whether it be tripping on uneven pavement while going for your daily walk, or slipping on some wet tiles in your bathroom. For younger adults, these falls often result in no serious consequences. However, for our parents and grandparents, especially those aged 65 and above, 1/3 will fall each year, with falls being the leading cause of hospitalised injury and injury-related deaths in Australia, costing the healthcare system over $2 billion. So what can be done about this? So what can be done about this? There are actually a multitude of strategies available to prevent falls, with exercise being one of the most effective yet underutilised interventions. And I'm sure you can guess why. If you were to ask your grandparents to exercise for a minimum of 3 hours a week, lasting for the long duration and at a sufficient intensity to challenge their balance, how many do you think could begin, let alone maintain this program? Reactive balance training, where balance disturbances are repeatedly induced and practiced, may offer a solution, with one study showing that a single session of repeated slips is able to reduce falls by up to 50% in the following year. However, despite these promising findings, it remains to be seen what the effective dose is, how the body responds to this form of training, and how safe this program may be. My PhD aims to address these questions through the Safe Trip study, a randomised controlled trial where older adults will be repeatedly slipped and tripped over and over again every 3 months for 1 year, beginning with predictable training where the location of slips and trips are known and the strategies to recover from them are provided, and progressing to unpredictable training where slips and trips will occur in random locations and at different times. It is our hope that this program of repeated practice in a safe environment will be able to generate the balanced recovery strategies so that they become automatic responses, and in doing so, keep our parents and grandparents living free, mobile, and independent. Thank you.